Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on preferences, click on it. When you just click here on preferences, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to allow animated images and emoji here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color it's gone. That's mean allow animated images and emoji disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.